All right, got a nice crimping set here from the brand Voilamart or Voilamart, V-O-I-L-A-M-A-R-T. This is the model number WXK-30JN. So this is a little kit with 5 different interchangeable dies, and of course made for crimping different types of connections, I guess you'd call them. So this comes in handy if you do any type of electrical work. I do a little bit of electrical around the house, of course, but then this stuff I'd use more for RC car customization and messing with the gel ball blasters and customizing those and changing those around with the motors and whatnot. So you can see here the standard die that comes with it. They do put a little screwdriver in here so that when you go to change it, you have a screwdriver handy, because you do need those 2 screws. So over to the side, you've got all your different dies. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pull those out. All right, so we got one here. Okay. And I'll try to pull them out as quick as I can. All right, there's our next one. It's nice that they have this little case with these little pockets. As you can see, they're definitely secure in the pockets. Okay. And the last one. Okay. All right. So it does label the different crimping modules right there, so that you can see that there. Okay. The one I will use the most is probably the one that's already on here. And you do see that this does actually lock like that, and then you just squeeze it all the way. So with this one, you know, this is where you'd go ahead and do your little wire crimping. So if you've got these butt splices like this, this is what you do. And they're color coded for you, just like you would expect. So you know if you've got a red one, you know, that's the small size, that's gonna go up in the red. And then I had showed you a yellow one before. So that's the one I'll use most, but it was nice to get all the others just in case I need them. If I'm crimping anything else, there wasn't a huge price difference, so I thought that was a good idea. So anyway, it is from Voilamart, V-O-I-L-A-M-A-R-T. It's their crimping set, and it's got 5 different dies, so depending on what you plan on crimping. All right, thanks.